Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Schlage FE595 or FE575 keypad lock is showing a low battery warning, it's probably the time for you to replace the battery. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can change or replace the battery safely and how you can get your lock working normally again. So first of all, before opening the lock, you need to grab a fresh 9-volt alkaline battery. Schlage recommends using a high quality alkaline battery just like this one in order to get the reliable performance and avoiding any rechargeable batteries. So now when you have the batteries available, you need to go to the inside portion of the dock where the lock's battery compartment is located. Over here, you need to remove the interior cover in order to access the battery areas. Now on the FE595 or FE575 models, the battery is located behind the inside cover and can be accessed without removing the entire lock from the door. So you just need to be careful when you are removing these screws. Do not pull any of the wires while opening the cover. Now you just have to disconnect the old battery, and then you just have to simply insert the new battery over here in this particular battery compartment. Once it is installed successfully, you just have to tuck the wire neatly so that they won't get pinched when the cover is reattached. Afterwards, you just have to simply put the interior cover back and make sure that it fits securely. After doing so, or after replacing the battery, you just have to test the keypad by entering the access code and operating the lock several times. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.